I wonder if leaf blowers all work together. Like if they all say, you know what, let's come around during like everyone's most inconvenient time.
Woo!
So I'm gonna turn it up to the almost the highest level, if you can see. Ooh. It is just gliding through my hair. So cute. So cute. And it's not super hot. You would think that it would be super hot because, I'm using like a hot tool, but because of this cool air, it is making the hair touchable. So I'm able to manipulate it and touch it and not feel like, like typically when you use hot tools, you're just like, oh my God, my fingers. Not with this. Okay, I have finished curling my hair. As you can see, my curls are so pretty. I have so many ringlets. At the moment, I know it's giving berries and cream, but we're gonna comb it out. Okay, I'm gonna finger comb them out a little bit and show you the final results. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love it. For someone who struggles with curling with a flat iron, like I'm telling you, this was so easy. And you saw it was just gliding through my hair. I was just turning it and it was just simple and easy. And I think this is really great for someone who wants to curl their hair and flat iron their hair and they just want to use one thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you've tried anything from TYMO. Thank you so much, TYMO. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking all of my videos thus far. Please follow me on TikTok because I post a lot of stuff on there. Like I have a comedy TikTok and I have a hair page. So I'd love to see you on there because I post daily. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.